We plan to marry the property, the family, the farm, and technology all together with our unveiling of our very first of many metaverse gardens. We're going to do this through NFTs, a metaverse garden with classes, rare plant variety types that are only able to be seen and harvested at certain times, and other versions of metaverse gaming that are tied to agriculture and Mother Nature. We stand for one thing. We want people to be able to feed themselves while creating memories with their family, investing into their property, and how planting seeds for today really does give you a harvest for tomorrow. We plan to build out a 330-acre farm that is complete with 500,000 square feet of greenhouse broken up into multiple structures. These multiple greenhouses can be a host of many different types of crop. This allows us to still have replicatable, scalable horticultural practices with singular plant crop varieties, but also be able to maximize variety types because of the multiple greenhouses, truly maximizing each environment for each crop type. It will give an opportunity for the entire globe to learn about the plants, do classes, and buy products along with the methodology that we try to use here every day in the backyard farm. Thank you very much for considering the future of backyard farming. We look forward to seeing what we can make happen, and we look forward to a bright future to take backyard farming supply to the moon.